hello class. This is a nice another day for us to be working on our addition. Remember addition, another word you guys use for that is add. So add and addition are both the exact same things. And we're gonna do our second day. This is our last day of doing this counting on. So if you've already started to get it, that's great. But if you're still getting a little bit more practice, this is our day for it. Do know we're gonna be going to some higher numbers. If you can't look at the number and add on, remember you do have this hundreds and 120 chart to grab out to help you. But if that's the case, you're going to really want to be practicing adding on from each number that you get to. So let's come on over here and I'm going to start with a problem over here. Let me think of a great problem. Let's do 12 plus 3, okay? Now, if you guys remembered, we had our vocabulary words that we're working on. Ours is addin. Say that again, addin. Say it like it's a question, addin. Say it like it's a demand, addin. Say it like it's just a normal sentence, addin. Try to see if you can say it some different ways. Add-in, it's a word that if you don't say a bunch, you're not going to know it. So add-in. So remember the two numbers that we're adding, or there could be three, that we're adding together are the add-ins. And then remember what it equals is we've probably heard this word a little bit, is the sum. So what it equals, we call the sum. So, and now we were learning about with counting on that we grab a number and we put it to our brain, okay? So let's do that. So we're going to go 12 plus 3. Now we learned that you don't start with the number 3 because if we're starting at the number 3, grabbing our brain and our counting 12, that's a lot of work to do. Instead, let's start with the biggest number. Let's start with that big number of 12. Let's stick it to our brains and then add on. So let's go. Let's grab that 12 in our brains right here. Grabbing 12. 12. Now remember, this is where we're going to add on 12, 13, 14, 15. Ooh, so our sum equaled to 15. All right, let's come on up over here. So we're looking at 11 plus 3. Ooh, our big number is in the front this time. So let's grab it right here. We're going to grab 11, and remember, what are we going to add to it? We're going to add 3. So 11, 12, 13, 14. So we have the sum of 14. Our add-ins equaled the sum of 14. All right, now we have this 4 plus 8. All right, let's come on over here. I hope you knew which one I was putting in there. Did you guess 8? Yes, you got it with me. 8. What are we going to add to the 8? Oh, 4 more. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Oh, look at that right there. Ooh, let's do this next one. Now we're starting to speed up a little bit, so which one's bigger? Ooh, yeah, it is that one. So let's grab it right here. 15. What are we adding to it? You got it. 3, 15, 16, 17, 18. Oh, got that right there. Ooh, now we're getting to some bigger numbers. Are you guys ready? Remember, if you need to, use this, but I'm hoping that we don't need to use this and we can more do it in our brains. That's what we're looking for. But we're looking at 51 plus 3. All right, here we go. Which one did I put in here? Which one? Oh, you guys are right, 51. All right, 51. Now I'm going to add 3, 51, 52, 53, 54. Ooh, 54. Ooh, look at that. All right, now we're going to do this. 19 plus 2. Grab it in here. Start at 19, adding 2, 19, 20, 21. There we go. Ooh, let's keep going. 3 plus 65. I hope we're starting at that one. Let's put it in there. 65. This is a big number. 65, 66, 67, 68. Oh, wonderful. Ooh, now I went to a small number. 9 plus 3. Which one's in here? Definitely the 9. 9, 10, 11, 12. Ooh, got to that 12 right there. And let's do this last one. Then I have a super tricky one. Are you guys ready? 75 plus 2. Putting this in my brain. 75. Gonna add 2. 75. 76, 77. Ooh. Now if we look up here, what is my biggest number? Ooh. Remember, whenever we're looking at big, what's bigger, my 10s or my 1s? My 10s are definitely bigger. Which one of these 10s was the biggest? Ooh, I have some 1s. Those are small. Ooh, this one is my biggest number. Look at that. Now, which one's my smallest? Ooh, ooh, I think I actually have a tie for the smallest, because if they match with the 10s, then we're going to look at the 1s. And this one is a 4, this one's a 2, this is a 8, and this is a 2. Now I know this is a 1, but it has a 20, and 20 is bigger. So we have a tie. These two 12s are our smallest number. All right, let me show you something else. All right, now, are you guys ready for a super tricky problem? 168. Oh my, that is crazy. Let's do this. Which number are we going to stick in our head? Definitely the really heavy one, the 168. 168. We got to add 3 more. Now this might be a little too high for you, but I just want to show you how this can be added and made to make any problem kind of simpler when they get higher. So 168, 169, 170, 171. How many of you guys were with me on that one? Give yourselves a pat on the back if you were with me. All right, so 168. These add-ins equaled up to the sum of 171. Wow, that is big. But do you see how this can help us getting to add bigger numbers? Now we're going to be going back to this addition counting on packets. We're going to do the last of the addition counting packets. You already did 3 pages yesterday, and you have the counting on games. There's 3 of them I want you to play. Now I'm going to show you how to play them. First, you need to find some sort of counter pieces. So something you can put on. I found a smiley face, a star, and a heart. I think I'm going to use the heart. Now you put this heart on the start button, and what you do is you flip a coin. So now right down here are the directions. If it's heads, now that's where the head is, I'm going to move forward 2 spaces, and if it's tails, you move forward 5. So let me go like this. Now if you know how to flip it, I'm just going to go like this. What did I get, everyone? I got heads. So I'm going to move forward 2 spots. 1, 2. Now I have this 12 plus 1. I'm gonna grab, I hope you remember 12, add 1 more, 13. Oh, look at that. Going right back on it. Did you see how I wrote it right there? Now I'm gonna go and flip a coin again. Tails, I get to move forward 5. That is cool. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ooh, I get to this one. Ooh, 18 plus 1. Grab it in my head. 18, 19. Oh, that is awesome right there. Putting it right there, flipping a coin. Oh, tails again. I get to move forward 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ooh, 14 plus 1. Grab it in my head. 14, 15. Right there. Got it. Now, once you have answered 20, so I've answered 1, 2, 3. Once you've gone around, so once you get past start, you'll continue going until you've answered 20. And once you've answered 20, you can. Now, something you can see over here, if I was trying to answer this 14 plus 1, you can also go right here and just add 1 more on here. So it's up to you how you want to do it. I typically like to stick it in my head. Now, once you're finished with this, here's one where it says counting on 1s and 2s. So here's this great game of you going around and doing that. And the one on the back is counting on 1s, 2s, and 3s. So right on over here. So this is one where when you go around, you might see an add 3, an add 2, or an add 1 on a couple of them. So you're going to be getting these 3 games. When you get to this one that says adding 10 facts, stop. Don't go on anymore. Stop right there. You're good for the day. This is as far as we're getting today. All right. I hope you guys enjoyed. Enjoy yourself. All right. See you later. Enjoy math. Have fun with those add-ins and those sums over there. Peace out.